You can make this easy vanilla cake with only a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. Start by sifting together 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And sifting flour always makes me think of freshly fallen snow. Is that weird? Okay, so next add 1 cup of granulated white sugar and mix it all together. When you're done mixing, form a well in the middle, then pour in 3/4 of a cup of neutral oil or melted butter, 1.5 cups of milk, and any kind of milk will work, including plant-based milk if you want to veganize this. Then finally add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And that's it. That's all the ingredients. Stir it all together, then pour the batter into a greased and lined 8-inch cake pan. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit before baking the cake for around 40 to 45 minutes depending on your oven. Once the cake is cooled completely, you can decorate it however you like. I just use store-bought vanilla frosting here, but feel free to top it with whipped cream or a sugary glaze instead, and then decorate with whatever sprinkles or candy you have on hand. What's great about this cake is it's delicious on its own, but it's really a blank slate to be creative if you want to try your hand at cake decorating. So if you make this at home, I'd love to see how you topped it. And guess what? We wrote a book! Click the link in the description to get your copy.